is this? It's like the detonate the nuke button. Okay, it's... Oh, it drained all the water. Okay. I guess this fills the water back up. Oh god. It's just gonna keep going. Can't get through there. So I need to reach this. Oh, I can get on top of the building now. The hatch. Here we go. Oh. So, wait, I've opened the hatch and that has achieved... I can get back in. Wait, maybe I was supposed to push something out. Oh, I guess I'll find out. Can I use this bike? Well, I need to get to that door while the water's down. Well, that's allowing me to get back into the building where the water's up. And the water needs to be down for me to go through the door, and there's no way I can climb back up. It looks like there's a switch in the front here. Okay, so I'm going to raise the water. Oh, there's this chain here. This, I bet this is really simple and I just can't see the solution. Okay, can I jump over this? Is there anything I can bring with me? Screw it, I'm just going to go in. So I'm in here. The water is full. No, I don't just press this again, do I? This is no, this can't be the right thing to do. So just back out here again. Is there nothing I can grab whatsoever? Okay, fill this baby up. So, what if, right, can I push this? I can, right, swim like a bitch. Yes! So what's the point in the hatch? Oh, I guess if you mess it up. Ooh. What's in here? Oh! I thought I was going to die then. Wait. Oh, I thought I messed it up then. So am I going to float on this, I guess? Oops. I imagine there's a load of those zombie men in here. Ah, it's going to let me get the chain, obviously. Alright, here we go. Wow. It's like... Oh, there's people up there. Do you reckon they'd... I don't know why it's reminded me of, like, Auschwitz or something. Like all those zombie men in the train and they're shipping them off somewhere. Like, what is going on? Wow, it is full of them. There's so many on that train. Oh shit, no. I only noticed the light on the way down. I was too busy looking at the troves of people on the train. I got killed by the metal slinky. Okay. So now we go. Oh, I guess I hide here. In the shadow. Wait, what? No. Oh my god. I thought he was just going to pull it. Okay. Oh, you just hold down. Oh. Shit. This is horrible. Look at these electric slinkies installed everywhere. Okay, fuck it, go. Oh. Jesus, man. And they just don't do it. No. Oh, fucking hell. This is horrible. Okay, there's another shadow here. Jesus. And we're just on a boat right now, look. Okay, here it comes. Wait a minute. Open the hatch. Oh man. Okay. Oh, this is horrible. Oh fuck. Okay, I can survive that. There's the spotlight upstairs. Right, get for the chain. And down we go. Into the bowels of the ship. This isn't a ship, is it? It's like an old metro system. Yeah, better have a wash after all that. Okay, so nothing there. You always got to check the opposite way. Ah, this place is truly ruins. This one reminds me of that game I just noticed the dogs in the right. Oh bloody hell. I was just going to say, it reminds me of that Metro 2033 game. You're in the subways and it's ruined and there's monsters in there. Okay, so there's some electrical problems here. There's dogs. There's like fuel canisters. Oh my god. Yeah, they're too busy feasting. God, they sound disgusting. Oh my god, they've heard me. No, they haven't. Yeah, you bugger off. Hey, what's this? Maybe I can make myself stink. So the dogs don't notice me. Okay, doggies. Don't come this way. Oh fuck. Oh, I'm gonna die, aren't I? Oh, you little oh, fucking it's so horrible. I'm just gonna get back into the water. That's what I'm gonna do. He's gonna run at me. And I'm gonna get into the water. But dogs don't hate water. I'll just assume this one does. Huh. Oh no. Oh fuck, he's actually swimming in it. Okay, just hopefully I buy myself enough time to get the hell out of here. Leg it. Oh my god. Oh, fuck me. Jesus. Oh my god, loads of them. Climb. God, this is horrible. Come on, pull. Oh, fuck this. Yeah, you dirty little shits. Go, you fucking hell. Cool. Oh, fuck, they're coming back this way. Oh, no. Oh. God, they're so loud. Oh, fuck you. Right, pull. Come on, one more. No, fuck it, just go. Come on in. Yeah, you fuck off. Right. Fuck. Come on, just one. Fuck, no, get to the fence! Oh no! Right, this, I feel like I should be able to just leg it. Yeah, come on. Right. See you later. Yes. Piss off. Stupid little dogs. God, that was horrible. This whole game has been really, really awful. No!